All right, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is take off the molding that goes around the door. Super easy. You just go ahead and grab it and pull it. You want to expose the black plastic at the bottom. You also want to go high enough that you clear that A-pillar. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and get your panel popper. I didn't have it at reach, so I went ahead and just used one of my tools that I have here. Simply just pop it out. That'll expose the A-pillar. Once you pop that A-pillar, you're going to have something that's holding it together. It's just a safety feature. Super easy to come out. You just have to twist it and get those prongs out of the way. Next thing you want to do is grab your panel popper tool. You can have a hard card as well to remove this. It's going to have 4 clips, 1 at each corner. The mirror, all you have to do is just twist it off counterclockwise. That's how it looks. Next thing is unclip that wire. Then you want to use your panel popper tool to get at all 4 corners of this. Again, this is super easy to come off. There's no real risk of breaking the window unless, of course, you don't know what you're doing. So once that's loose, you want to go ahead and pull it off. It is going to be tucked in behind the headliner, so you want to go ahead and just wiggle that out. I go ahead and just tape it up here since I don't remove that other wire that's stuck on there. You want to remove these 2 T10 Torx screws. This is how it'll look once everything is removed. Super spacious now for the install. So here, I just went ahead and included a bonus video of me shrinking the glass. Now, don't come for me. I do know I made a mistake here. As you can see, on the driver's side, I did not put the cable over my shoulder. So as you can see, it is rubbing against the car. Luckily, there was no scratches on the car. There was no damage. So just make sure that whenever you do get to shrinking or have the heat gun next to the car, that you always be mindful of keeping that cable over your shoulders in order to avoid any damage to the paint.